It's better than Starbucks actually. Stefan here. Welcome back to another video, and today is Tuesday with Stefan. Once again, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe and like. It's free. What we have today? Today we have a cool, nice coffee machine by Dolce Gusto. So we're gonna make a coffee today. So let's get started first. So let me introduce you the Mini Me. Let's start from the top. So here we have a tray that you can put your coffee here, your pots. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put this in the side in a second. Here on the top you have adjustable levels to make your coffee short or long if you like. Here on the top we have a button, and here we have a slider right and left if you prefer cold and hot coffee. Yes, this machine makes cold coffee as well, which is pretty cool. And here on the back we have a tank with water, and remember, always put drinking water. Never put water from the tap, because the coffee will not taste good. So let's bring Starbucks at home. With this coffee machine you have up to 40 varieties of drinks, hot or cold drinks. If I may put this properly. I thought this is gonna be a cool video, but obviously, here we go, I made it. So you have about 40 variety coffee drinks, cold drinks. You have adjustable tray here as well, if you like to drink espresso, you can put this here on the top, but I will leave it here. The tank for the water is, the capacity is 0.8 milliliters. This is up to 4 medium coffees. So it's pretty cool actually. Let's bring Starbucks. So let's make coffee now. So here on the top we have a button. We're gonna press this button, and when the button is green, that means that the coffee, we're ready to make a coffee. So now we're gonna put our pots. So we have a long coffee lungo, and now we're gonna adjust the levels. And remember, this coffee machine is automatic, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna leave it here. So the machine, it says that we're ready to make coffee. It's green, so let's make our delicious coffee lungo. So we're gonna slide this to the other side, which is hot, and let's make coffee. Beautiful. If you're here to smell the coffee, that's pretty good actually. Smells like coffee. So I like to drink coffee, so that's why I bought this machine. And you can bring Starbucks at home, and you can make nice delicious coffee at home. Cappuccino, latte macchiato, chococino, espresso, cold drinks, only with one touch. Amazing. Let me show you the beautiful coffee. Let's make a test. Delicious. That's a delicious coffee. My name is Stefan. This was Tuesday with Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like. Definitely recommend this coffee machine by Dolce Mini Me. I'm gonna leave a couple of links down below in the description if you like to purchase this coffee machine. So my name is Stefan. This was Tuesday with Stefan. I'll see you next time. It's better than Starbucks actually.